Welcome to the Cadell Labs How-To series. In today's tutorial, we will explore how to use Delta sharing to connect a Databricks Delta Table with Power BI. Delta sharing enables seamless data sharing across platforms, allowing Power BI to access Delta Tables directly from Databricks. To set up Delta sharing in Databricks and integrate it with Power BI, begin by creating a new recipient in your Databricks workspace. First, navigate to Catalog, go to Delta Sharing tab, then go to Shared by Me tab. And initiate the setup by selecting New Recipient. Assign a suitable recipient name, such as Power BI. And choose Token as the authentication method, since Power BI is not a Databricks user. For security, set a 2-day expiration date. Click Create. Then copy the generated activation link. Next, create a data share in Databricks by selecting Share Data and naming it like BI_share. Save the configuration and select the schema and table to share. For example, select sample_dias under the example catalog. After selecting the data, save and proceed. If prompted to attach a notebook, skip this step for Power BI integration. Link the data share to the recipient created earlier and complete the process. Once done, go to the Recipients tab. Find the new recipient and retrieve the activation link and credentials. Copy these credentials. Paste the activation link into a browser to download the credential file, which contains authentication details for Power BI integration. Open Power BI to integrate Delta sharing, go to Get Data from other sources. Select Delta sharing as the data source. When prompted, enter the server link from the config.share file to establish the connection. Next, open the config.share file, copy the token, and paste it into the authentication field in Power BI. Once connected, browse the list of available tables shared from Databricks. Select the specific table you want to analyze. Review the table structure to ensure it contains the necessary data. Click Load, and Power BI will import the dataset. You can now analyze and visualize the shared data as needed. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Databricks. Thanks for watching.